Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make money from Temu as a beginner. Alright, so as we all know, Temu is an interesting, enthralling platform or shopping site where you can literally have all your shopping needs met at one stop. It's pretty much easier with Temu. Just go ahead and explore all of its features and you'll be good to go in just split seconds. Alright, so let's get right into it. How to make money from Temu as a beginner. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Temu account. So this is my web account. I would like you to know that this also works on the app. All right, okay, so on the Temu app, that's the mobile app in your phone. So all of it, they're just pretty much the same feature. The difference is just that one is on the PC and the other is on the mobile phone. So right here is the homepage, and as you can see, my account has already been created. If you have not created an account on Temu, I'm just going to tell you what exactly to do. Launch any browser of your choice. From any browser of your choice, head over to locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner. At the top corner, just go ahead and click on temu.com, and it's going to take you to the official website. In there, follow through with the processes to sign up, all right? And then once you're done with the processes to create an account, and you have successfully created an account, it's pretty much simple. Just try to use Google, and if you use Google, it's just automatic. Once you've created an account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic page that if you are comfortable using your PC or your laptop to get the job done. So whichever ways, as you can see, this is the home page and it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is it. All right, so a lot of things are going on and I can shop and shop till I drop. Okay, so if you actually want to make money on Temu, now most people do not get. Some people say if you want to make money on Temu, you know, you can get free gifts or you can use the spinning feature. You know, you can just spin to get money, refer people, and then just one of those things. But not everybody tells you that Temu has an affiliate program. Temu has an affiliate program. You can actually literally be an affiliate or an influencer on Temu and make cool cash even as a beginner. Does that strike us something that's pretty much simple or easy or interesting? Okay, so if you actually want to be an affiliate or an influencer on Temu, here's how to go about it. So from this homepage, we're going to scroll all the way down, but not too down page. Okay, so right here, this is the bottom, and here you see company info, customer service, help, and then you see download the Temu app if you want to do that for Apple Store and Google Play. But actually, there's something really interesting right here under the company info. Here it says about Temu, and then Temu, we have affiliated influencer, we have campus ambassador, and so here we go. Affiliate and influencer. So go ahead and click on affiliate and influencer, and it's going to take you to a page where you can follow through the process to sign up to become an affiliate marketer. So now it says unlock more ways to earn benefits on Temu. Wow, we're looking for content creators to rock their favorite Temu looks. Now this is affiliate programs, and now it says share and earn up to $100,000 per month. That's a cool deal. And now this says, okay, this is the affiliate program and this is the influencer program. So the influencer program says monetize your content, get free products. So these are pretty much different packages, and I'm going to explain to you what these packages are for, or what feature they actually perform. So the affiliate program actually for those who do not have content, but you want to help Temu, you want to help market Temu, all right, and then you earn up to this amount per month. And this is just pretty much a cool deal if you're able to get this done perfectly. And then the next thing is monetize your content and get free products. So if you have content as an influencer and then you have a lot of people following you, then this actually should be something that you should definitely hop on, and the pay is cool. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So go ahead and click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, and just going to take you right there to the processes. So here you go, Temu Affiliate. So Temu's affiliate marketing program. Now, if you think you can attract more users to Temu or introduce them to items they're interested in, would love for you to join the Temu affiliate program and share millions in commission. So what does this actually imply? Once you join the affiliate marketing program, all you just need to do is to, share everything that Temu tells you to share and earn. That's it. Share and why join us? Millions in commission. Share millions in commission with the Temu affiliate program. And now says anyone can join. You don't need to be an influencer. We have rules. We have open rules for everyone. And then easy to earn. You only need to share your link or code. Benefits received automatically. That's sweet. It means you don't have to wait for too long for you to get your money. So once you get the job done, you're definitely going to get the benefits instantly. And that's what everybody wants. And then it's a trusted brand. That means you can trust Temu. Trust Temu that once you work for Temu, you're definitely going to get your money, and they have that much integrity to actually keep to their words. And I say Temu is one of the most downloaded apps in Apple App Stores and Google Store. You need to check the validity of that. So now these are the benefits you get. I was actually getting to this point. I'm like 5 million commission, and by Temu affiliate. So once you share, all right, so attract users to Temu and earn up to 20% commission and $5 referral bonus. And now here's a up to $5 bonus for each new download and login. 20% commission and 50% off. Now, I'd like you to know that once you're sharing, all right, once you share Temu to people, I'd like you to know that you don't share it to people. Like if I say you should share it to people and invite people to download Temu, don't share to people that already have the Temu app. If not, you will not get your benefits. All right, so ensure that you're sharing it to somebody who is new to Temu and will download and sign up afresh, because Temu actually has their algorithm and they'll be able to check if the person that you're getting on board is new to Temu or not. So let's sign up for the affiliate program. Okay, so here's the Temu influencer policy. If you want to read all of these things, just go ahead and read that until you are convinced and satisfied that this is exactly what you want to do. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on accept. So like I earlier said, which is pretty much simple, ensure that the people that you're sharing it to are new to Temu. And of course, there are 1,000 million benefits for you to benefit as an affiliate. You're going to earn cool cash, you're going to earn cool money, and you have nothing to really worry about. And this is what Temu said. Temu says $100,000 per month. That's if you are intentional about earning on Temu. So just go over all of this process and then you would just be right into it. All right, so like I said, apart from the affiliate or in the influencer program, there is another way to do that, which is the spinning. So when Temu actually gets the or brings up their spinning option, so just spin to win. So just spin and then earn coins that can definitely be translated or can definitely be transferred as money to you. So Temu literally works. This is just Temu's way of making themselves big and big, because they know that once they actually say, okay, share Temu or share to win, people definitely like to hop on it. So if you just don't want to buy from Temu but you want to earn from Temu, then you should be ready to share Temu to make Temu more famous, to make Temu more popular by being an affiliate or an influencer. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.